Hey there, food lovers, ready for a flavor explosion? Let me introduce you to kimchi, a superfood that's both delicious and good for you. It's spicy, tangy, and packed with healthy benefits. Get ready to spice up your life. Kimchi is taking the world by storm. People everywhere are discovering its amazing taste and health benefits. It's time to see what all the fuss is about. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Get ready for a culinary adventure. So, what exactly is kimchi? Well, it's not just a dish, it's a cultural icon in Korea, deeply rooted in history and tradition. It's a Korean dish made from fermented vegetables. The process of making kimchi has been passed down through generations, and each family often has its own unique recipe. The star ingredient is usually Napa cabbage, but you can use other veggies too. Radishes, cucumbers, and even green onions can be used to create different varieties of kimchi. We add spices like gochugaru, Korean chili powder, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce for a flavor punch. These ingredients not only add heat but also depth and complexity to the flavor profile. The magic happens during fermentation. This is where the real transformation occurs, turning simple vegetables into a probiotic-rich superfood. Good bacteria break down the sugars in the veggies, giving kimchi its signature tangy flavor and crunchy texture. This fermentation process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the temperature and the desired level of fermentation. It's like a party in your mouth. The combination of spicy, tangy, and umami flavors makes it incredibly addictive. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and beneficial bacteria, making it as healthy as it is delicious. Kimchi is not just tasty, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with probiotics, those good bacteria that keep your gut happy and healthy. A happy gut means better digestion and a stronger immune system. But wait, there's more. Kimchi is also packed with vitamins A, B, and C, which give you energy and boost your immune system. Plus, it's a good source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Kimchi on your plate. Now let's talk about how to enjoy this spicy wonder. The classic way is to serve it as a side dish with rice and other Korean delicacies. It adds a tangy kick to any meal. But don't stop there. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. You can add it to stir-fries, noodles, soups, and even sandwiches for an extra layer of flavor and texture. Get creative in the kitchen. Kimchi fried rice, a flavor bomb. One of my favorite ways to use kimchi is in kimchi fried rice. This dish is a staple in many Korean households and for good reason. It's a fantastic way to use up leftover rice and vegetables, making it both economical and delicious. It's a quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying dish. The beauty of kimchi fried rice lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can customize it with whatever ingredients you have on hand, making it a perfect weeknight meal. Simply stir-fry some cooked rice with kimchi, vegetables, and your protein of choice. Whether you prefer tofu, chicken, or shrimp, the possibilities are endless. The key is to ensure that the rice is well coated with the kimchi juices, which infuse every grain with flavor. It's a flavor bomb in every bite. The combination of the crunchy vegetables, the soft rice, and the spicy kimchi creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. It's a dish that excites the senses and leaves you craving more. Top it with a fried egg for extra richness. The runny yolk adds a creamy texture that complements the spicy and tangy flavors of the kimchi fried rice. It's the perfect finishing touch to an already amazing dish. Beyond fried rice, Kimchi Adventures. Kimchi's versatility knows no bounds. Try it in a comforting kimchi tofu stew, where the spicy kimchi broth warms you from the inside out, or get adventurous with a kimchi grilled cheese sandwich. The tangy kimchi cuts through the richness of the cheese for a flavor combination that will blow your mind. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover your own favorite ways to enjoy kimchi. Join the kimchi craze. Kimchi, the iconic Korean dish, has taken the world by storm. Originating from South Korea, this fermented vegetable dish has become a global sensation, loved for its unique flavor and numerous health benefits. From its humble beginnings as a traditional side dish, kimchi has now found its way into the hearts and kitchens of food enthusiasts everywhere. So there you have it, folks. Kimchi is not just a food, it's an experience. Imagine gathering with friends and family, sharing a meal that includes this tangy, spicy delight. The joy and excitement of trying something new, the laughter and conversations that flow as you savor each bite. Kimchi brings people together in a way that few foods can. Kimchi is a flavor-packed, gut-healthy superfood that deserves a spot on your plate. Rich in probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, it supports digestion and boosts your immune system. Whether you enjoy it as a side dish, a topping, or even as a main ingredient, kimchi adds a burst of flavor and nutrition to any meal. Its versatility and health benefits are truly remarkable. You can add kimchi to soups, stews, sandwiches, and even pizzas. The possibilities are endless. Now it's your turn to explore the culinary potential of this amazing dish. Head to your local Asian market or grocery store and grab a jar of kimchi. You'll find a variety of options from traditional Napa cabbage kimchi to radish and cucumber versions. Each type offers a unique taste experience, so don't be afraid to try them all. Get creative in the kitchen and discover the magic of this spicy Korean delight. Experiment with different recipes and see how kimchi can transform your dishes. If you want cookbooks, check the links in the description. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, there's always something new to learn and enjoy with kimchi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your culinary creations, and let me know your favorite ways to enjoy kimchi in the comments. Snap a photo, post it on social media, and tag your friends. Let's spread the kimchi love and inspire others to join the craze. Happy cooking!